Hello friends, welcome to TechBase. In this tutorial, we will learn how to split a data or how to clean a data. And here the requirement was that to prepare subcategory wise customer sales report on individual sheets. So here you can see that customer's name, country. You can split or you can clean any of the title given in this data. So here you can see the product name, subcategory, category, product ID. Each and everything has given according to the requirements. So Control A to select the whole data, and then Control plus backspace to go up on the sheet. So as you see, the whole data has been selected. So click on insert tab, go to insert tab and click on a pivot table. A pivot table is a good feature that easily arrange and summarize complex data in a pivot table. So select a pivot table. As you see that in a pivot table, the whole data has been selected here. So here you can see that choose where you want the pivot table reported to be placed. So here if you want to put the data or put the pivot table in the existing worksheets, then you can easily select the existing worksheet and choose the location. So I don't want to put the data into the existing worksheet. I want to create a new worksheet. So select a new worksheet and then press OK. So as you see that our pivot table has been created. Here in the pivot table fields, all the categories now enlisted here. So we will select as according to the requirements, prepare subcategory wise customers sales report on individual sheets. So here you can see that we need a customer name first, then select a customer name and drop into rows. So as you see, all the customers names has been listed here. The next thing was that the product subcategory and sales. Here you see subcategory wise customer sales. So we will select a subcategory into filter, because it will create filter creates the categories of all the products. So put the subcategory into filters, and then sales, always values or sales, we put it into values. So now you see that our whole worksheet has been created and data has been cleaned clearly. As you can see that here subcategories, all the categories has been given here into category list. So customer sale and customers names. Now here in the requirements you can see that customer sales report on individual sheets, means we need each and everything sales report on individual pages. Simply go to analyze tab, and here you can see the options. Now the second one is show report filter pages. Here we filtered all the categories into one category. So we want to split these category pages on individual pages. Then simply click on a show report filter pages, then all the pages will be created. Click on it, and now it needs confirmation to create report pages or not. Then simply click OK to create the. As you see that appliance, art, binders, bookcases, chairs, copies, means all the subcategories lists has been created. All the reports of the subcategories are created on individual pages as according to the requirements of a customer or office. So prepare subcategory wise customer sales reports on an individual sheets. Now you can see individual sheets of all categories has been created successfully. In the next tutorial we will learn how to analyze data, how to visualize it, and for how to forecast data according to sales and their categories. So be in touch with us, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial, please subscribe the channel and like it.